What's the meaning of appropriacy? Appropriacy. Appropriacy.
Appropriacy. Appropriacy. Appropriacy refers to the quality of being appropriate or suitable for a particular situation or purpose. It is the degree to which an action, behavior, language, or communication conforms to social norms, expectations, and cultural values. The appropriacy of an action or behavior is determined by contextual factors such as the situation, audience, and culture. For instance, using slang would be considered inappropriate in a formal business meeting but may be acceptable among friends. Appropriacy is subjective and varies across cultures and contexts. It is important to consider appropriacy when communicating to avoid misinterpretation or offense.